Imagine losing your brain and just growing a new one like nothing happened. This isn't sci-fi. This is nature. Meet the Planarian, a tiny worm with one of the most extreme survival tricks on Earth. It doesn't just grow back tissue. It regenerates its entire brain, nervous system, and memory. Hit that subscribe button because we're re-diving into a creature that challenges everything we know about life, death, and consciousness. Meet the brain-regrowing worm. Planarians live in ponds, streams, and sometimes household aquariums. To the untrained eye, they're just wiggly worms. But they hold a biological superpower scientists are still trying to understand. These flatworms contain pluripotent stem cells, the same kind used in advanced medical research. Except Planarians naturally use them to regenerate almost any part of their body. Cut off its tail, it regrows. Cut off its head, it grows a new brain. Cut it into 200 pieces. Each one becomes a fully functioning worm. How the brain grows back regenerating a head is one thing, but a brain, it's complex. Here's how it works. After injury, special stem cells flood the wound site. They transform into nerve tissue, sensory cells, and brain ganglia. Within 3 days, brain structures begin forming. By 7 to 10 days, the Planarian regains full movement, light sensitivity, and even memory. And yes, we mean actual memory. One experiment showed a trained Planarian could remember tasks even after growing a brand new brain. Scientists still don't fully understand how. Could memory exist outside the brain? Memory without a brain? Here's the wild part. Scientists trained Planarians to avoid light by zapping them with mild electric shocks. Then, they chopped off their heads. Once the worms regrew their brains, they still avoided the light. This sparked a scientific debate. Does memory only live in the brain? Could it also be stored in other parts of the body, or even the cells themselves? One theory suggests Planarians have a primitive distributed memory system, meaning knowledge might be stored in multiple places at once. They don't die of old age. Planarians are also weird when it comes to aging. They're classified as biologically immortal. They don't grow old the way we do. Instead, their stem cells constantly refresh their tissues. As long as conditions are stable, no predators, no poison, they could live forever. Imagine if humans could regenerate our hearts, eyes, or even memories. That's why scientists are obsessed with these worms. The 270-piece experiment in one of the most famous regeneration experiments. A single Planarian was sliced into over 270 pieces. Every piece became a new, living, fully functioning worm. It's not just cloning, it's biological reconstruction on a mind-blowing scale. Why scientists care so much so? Why does this matter for us? Planarians are helping scientists understand how stem cells work at full power, how to reverse aging at the cellular level, how memory might persist through brain trauma. They're being studied in research for Alzheimer's, spinal cord injuries, organ regeneration, even cancer resistance in a way. These worms could hold secrets to human immortality. How do they know where to grow? Regenerating a brain is one thing, but how does the worm know where to grow? What? Inside the Planarian are special signaling systems, like biological GPS. Certain genes switch on based on which part of the body is missing. If the head's gone, brain genes activate. If the tail's gone, motor and muscle genes kick in. This positional memory ensures every new body part forms in the right place. Even if you flip the worm upside down or backwards, it still rebuilds itself correctly. Nature doesn't miss. Bonus. Other animals that regenerate Planarians aren't the only ones with this trick. Nature has a few other shape-shifting masters. Axolotls regrow entire limbs, bone. Muscle, nerves, starfish can regenerate whole arms. Sea cucumbers can regrow internal organs. Even deer regrow 20-pound antlers every year. But none come close to the Planarian's brain regeneration and biological immortality.